to my channel. My name is Lydia, and for today's video we are doing cooking with Lydia part 2. For part 1 I made empanadas. If you guys haven't watched that, please go and watch the video, comment, like, and I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in watching it. So, you know, it's gloomy outside, it's chilly outside, it was raining last night, and it's cloudy. So I was like, why not make, you know, soup, caldo, or sopa de res? So that is what we are making today. So you guys, before I show you what you guys will need, everything is pre-cut, everything is pre-washed. So, you know, don't come at me saying, oh, you didn't wash this, you didn't wash that, because I did before even starting this video. So before we start, make sure you like this video, comment down below what you think about this video, any suggestions, and also subscribe and turn on your notifications on so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So for this soup, caldo de res, you will most definitely need meat. So I already washed this meat. It's clean, super clean. I washed it already, ready to go. It's like oxtail and like ribs, and we also got here some corn, some chayotes. This is called chayotes. We got carrots, and we got some potatoes. I put the potatoes separately in like in water because I don't want my potatoes to get dark. So you will need some radish, some squash. I know this is called squash, something squash. Some other veggies, and that's about it. Is that it? Yeah, that's about it. So before you start, you will need also one of these. It's not that big. It's kind of like medium size. So first things first, you're gonna put the meat inside. So it's gonna cook. So we're gonna put the meat. We're gonna turn it on. I have it in like medium. So the meat is there. For the meat, you also need caldo de res. Caldo de res, and I'm also gonna put caldo de pollo and salt. And also onions, but I didn't cut some onions. After you put the meat, you're gonna put the veggies that take longer to cook. So that's including the corn, chayote, and the carrots. Put a little because some carrots are like very sweet. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. So when you do that, you're gonna let that cook for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then you're gonna put the potatoes. And then after the potatoes, you're gonna put the radish, you're gonna put the squash and the other greens. And because these are like faster to cook, so yeah. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna start washing dishes, and I'll be right back. So you guys, it has been 50 minutes. I'm gonna be putting the rest of the veggies I will be putting the potatoes first. And I forgot to mention a tip. So when the meat is cooking, va a salir like grasa, like grease. Grease is gonna come out, and this is how it looks. You see how much grease it is? Like if you don't take it out, all this is going into your body. That is really disgusting. Okay, so no se les olvide sacar la grasa. So now we're gonna put the potatoes. Rinse this out. And also when we eat soup, it's either chicken or like you know, beef, then we also make white rice. We love eating it with white rice. We put the white rice inside the soup. And also I will be making homemade tortillas, which is gonna be so bomb. And then with some Valentina or some jalapenos, it's gonna be bomb. So I'll be right back. I am almost done. This is how it looks. It's the cabbage, the greens, the corn, the carrots, the potatoes. You wanna see the meat? The meat. Okay guys, so the soup is ready. I am ready to eat. I'm super hungry. So right here I have rice, because I told you guys I put rice in my soup. Tengo limon, ponerle limon, tortillas, Valentina, y mi jatito. Okay, so what I do is put my rice in here, mix it up. Limon, mucho limon. My tortilla. Okay. First bite for you. So good. So good. Carrots. Okay, before I finish the video, I'm gonna try the meat. See how it falls off the bone? So I put it like this. You put limon. Smell it too. Delicious. Cheers. Cheers. Okay guys, so that is how I make my sopas or caldo de res. I also make the pollo. It's kind of the same, but it's just with chicken. So if you guys like this video, if you guys, you know, if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, or if you want me to cook something, comment down below. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also if you haven't watched the cooking video part 1, which was the empanadas, go and watch. I'm gonna put the link down below, and also share, and don't forget to turn on the notifications on so you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So I'm gonna keep eating, I'm gonna enjoy this food, this soup, and I'll see you guys next time.